Can a CEO be removed before their term? Only by the President, only by ECI and President jointly by the state government. Yes. A CEO can be removed before their term expires under various circumstances. Their employment contract might stipulate conditions for termination, such as cause, example, gross misconduct, breach of contract, or for performance reasons. Furthermore, a board of directors typically holds the power to remove a CEO, even if their contract specifies a longer term. This authority stems from the board's fiduciary duty to act in the best interests of the company. Shareholders, depending on the corporate structure, may also have the power to influence or directly remove a CEO, often through a vote of no confidence. Therefore, none of the proposed limited options are universally accurate. The removal process depends heavily on the specifics of the company's bylaws, articles of incorporation, and the CEO's employment agreement. Only by the President is incorrect because the President of a country typically does not have the authority to remove a company's CEO. This authority rests within the corporate structure. Only by ECI and President jointly are incorrect because, while the specific meaning of ECI is unknown without context, it's unlikely to be a universally applicable entity with the power to remove CEOs. Regulatory bodies might have the power to intervene under specific circumstances, example, criminal activity or significant regulatory violations, but this is not the primary means of CEO removal. By the state government is also incorrect. While the state government might have regulatory oversight over certain companies and could potentially take action in extreme cases, example, severe illegal activity, the direct removal of a CEO is not a typical function of state government.